Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here to help you to solve this another problem on HackerRank. Compare the triplets. In this problem statement, you will be given a to list with some value. Okay. First, let me read this problem statement to understand the concept how we will solve this in a easy and efficient manner. Elias and Bobs each created one problem on HackerRank. A receiver rates the two challenge awarding point on a scale from 1 to 100 from three category problem, clarity, originally, and difficulty. The rating of the Elias challenges in the triplet A, A0, A1, A2, and the rating of the Bob's challenges in the triplet B0, B1, and B2. The task is to find their comparison point by the comparing A0 with B0, A1 to B1, and B2 to A2. If A1 of I is greater than B of I, then Elias is awarded 1 point. If A of I is less than B of I, means index in the same index, then Bob's is awarded a point. If A of I is equal to B of I, then neither person receive the point. Okay, take this simple question example. A having a 3 value 1 2 3, B having a 3 value also 3 2 1. So let me compare with the first value of the A and B. Here B is greater than, so B will be awarded 1 point. We'll move to the next element. A value is 2 and B is also 2, so no point will be graded to anyone. And the third index 2, and third element A is a greater than to B, so 1 point will be graded to the A. So let me check, me explain this constant. A size of element of the A of I will be greater than to 1 and less than 200. The same will be for B also. So here the first value for A is 567 and value for B is 3 6 10. So comparison will be like this. A of index 0 and B of index 0, 5 and 3, 5 is greater than, so A will be graded 1 mark. Again we'll check for the index 1 0 1 and 1. So both are equal, no grade will be awarded. We'll move to the next index, that is second index of B is greater than 2A, so 1 point will be awarded to the Bobs, that is B. Finally output will be A 1 and 1. So let's move to the coding part. So let me first declare two variable for Elias is equal to 0, integer Bobs is equal to 0, both is getting the same marks. Let me create a list variable because return type is also list. We'll call it output is equal to new list of integer check for the a and b. For integer I is equal to 0, I less than, will check for anyone. I'm going with a dot count. It will count the number of element present in the a list, because both list containing the same value, so we can choose anyone. And I plus plus, if a of I is equal b of I, then nobody will get any points. So I'm continuing this if loop, else if condition. Then again I'm checking if a of I is less than b of I, then Bob's will be increment by 1, else Elias increment by 1. Let me check the name so I can go with the correct name. Elias. Okay. At the end of the loop, I'm adding output dot add with value as output dot add Bob's and finally return output. Let me run this code. I hope both sample test case pass. Let me submit this code. It should pass the all test cases. We'll wait for a few seconds. So congratulations, it passes all the test cases. Guys, if you like this video, then subscribe my channel and hit the like buttons and share with your friends. Thank you.